nagbago, lalo na dun sa 40-point third quarter nyo? Paano nyo ba sila kinausap before this game and from halftime to light up this kind of fire for them?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank the Lord for giving us this win. Yun lang, lagi naman rin i-remind sa kanila ng coaching staff, especially ni Coach Bonnie, is to play hard every game. Kasi actually we're practicing hard kung paano namin na papakita yung gusto namin manalo sa ensayo. Plus, every practice we're complete na kumbaga kung ano yung meron kaming players linalaban namin for this conference. But still, nagkakaroon lang kami ng short on winning for the last games namin. But this time, nakita lang namin sa mga players namin is yung willingness to win. Yun lang naman yung laging pinaalala ni Coach Bonnie na although ngayon medyo ito yung players na meron natin, kumbaga dumabang kami na para manalo. Not na yung parang manghina kami kung ano na yung nangyari for this conference for us. So, yun yung nakita namin, yung pinaibahan ng mga past few games namin, yung willingness to win. Yun yung nangyari ngayon sa game na to against Philippines.
Thank you so much, Coach Renzi. Okay, congratulations on the career-high performance. Now that you have adopted without Arvin and Will, what kind of opportunities have you found for yourself, and what kind of role have you carved for yourself on this team?
Pretty much just playing as hard as I can every game. Whatever I can do, whatever I'm participating. Right now, trying to look into helping out a lot more in the offensive end, but as you all know, I'm a defensive player. Yeah, just doing what I can to help the team win.
Thank you, Kate. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Thank you.
Kate, over here. Of course, it was mentioned that Will and Arvin had left the bottom here for this conference, but of course, you guys welcomed in Kevin Ababa. How big has he been helping you, especially since you guys play almost the same position, and how has he affected your game positively for the court?
Yeah, I mean, Calvin's just like me, overly energetic player on the court. Having somebody that has that same energy when it comes to practices really lifts the spirits, lifts the energy in our team. So he's pushing everybody else to play hard. He plays hard, so everybody else has to play hard to match it. And I think it's a good addition to our team.
Can you tell us what happened there when Joshua took the free throw instead of you?
I don't even know. I actually don't know. The ref, I was walking over to shoot the free throws. The ref said, I caught over Josh to shoot him. I was just like, okay, for sure. And then he shot him, so I just started giggling. It's a misunderstanding.
Coach, kamusta naman yung si Calvin sa team? Maganda yung linaro niya agad yung first game niya. Kamusta naman yung naging adjustment niya in the transition to him?
Calvin is a very positive player. So, it helps us a lot. Especially, alam naman natin si Calvin. Kaya nga tinawag natin nagtabis yan. So, yung energy niya kung paano maibigay sa team. So, yun nga lang is medyo late na addition sa amin si Calvin. But still, kahit he's very professional. He practice well. At the same time, he's encouraging the other players to, ito, grabe yung competition ni Kate at saka ni Calvin sa mga practices namin. Kaya yung energy ng buong team nadadala nila. So, Calvin is very positive for us.
Okay, also career high 9 for you tonight. Are you honestly feeling that you're being given the green light more now that Will and Arvin is gone? Or gone, sorry.
Yeah, I mean, it could be anybody's night on the team. Whoever's getting hot, whoever's hot on the day. I guess today was my day, so I took the opportunity. I took every opportunity I got, and I thank the team for all the assists. Obviously, we have 30 assists as a team. That's fantastic. So it's probably a team effort.
Coach, in San Miguel, nagkahangat din ako number 1, so ano lang, gusto niyo ba ganun yung mangyari na
Yes, yes, actually, ano lang, we just play, kumbaga, madoble namin yung effort namin sa game na to, against NLEX. May pakita namin yung game namin against San Miguel. So, laro lang namin, especially talaga gusto namin to the conference with the high hood. Madala namin yung panalo na yan sa mga susunod na mga games namin sa tournament. So, yun lang. Gawin lang namin lahat.
Wala na pala. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.